Hey there and welcome to Friday's Daily Dot. Daily Dot Season 2. Oh my gosh, I've made it to the end of the week. So this one isn't live. I've been all over the place today doing lots of things, including I went to the gym. Oh my goodness. So, big achievement there. Going to keep it up. Today I'm going to have a wee chat to you about something I'm planning to do with this amazing book. There's a wonderful children's STEM book publisher called Quest Friends. And this is my advanced copy of the latest in the series, Super Questers, The Case of the Angry Sea. So this is going to be launched, this book, during British Science Week next month. And I'm writing a blog post for it. I have a meeting with the publicist on Monday on Zoom to discuss just the final version. But one thing I need to do as well is, remember yesterday I mentioned about I need to build a boat. I need to build a water cleaning boat. And if you get this amazing book next month, you'll find out why. So I've been amassing materials and things like that, and I'm just going to show you just now what I've collected. The other day I had a really good chat with Bing Copilot on what are the features of a water cleaning boat and what kind of materials could you use to create one. And I did say for parents and kids, so kids could do it on their own but with their parents supervising or guiding them. And you want to see in the first suggestion it threw up everyday materials. I don't think so. Polyform, electronic speed control, lipo battery, nuts and bolts, motor, and waterproof ceiling. I'm thinking, okay, what have I got in my garage lab and what have I got lying about the house? Most of that I don't have. So I refined the chat a wee bit, and then I said, okay. Materials need to be available in supermarkets, and this needs to be less complex so that kids of primary school age can easily do this themselves with their parents' guidance. So we went round and round and round the houses, and I learned a lot about water cleaning boats in the process and came up with something that, okay, here's my version of it, my water cleaning boat. So first thing you're going to need is plastic bottle. That's going to be the hull of the boat. So we're going to cut this in half. And apparently we need to stabilise it with some cardboard. So I've got this display card which I got for just some science events ages ago, and I got a bunch of this stuff. It was going cheap in Ryman's. They were getting rid of a lot of stuff. So I've got this. But you could use cereal packets or just ordinary packaging or cardboard boxes, anything you've got lying around. I had that lying around. So a hull, and somehow I'm going to make a cardboard base to stabilise it a bit. What else am I going to need? I'm going to power my boat by solar power, and when I can get this off, here is my representation of a solar panel. Recycling, this is all about recycling and waterways and environmental things. So I'm recycling things including old CDs. I'm finding loads of uses for these, and I like to use CDs to represent solar panels. So my boat is going to have a solar panel somehow incorporated. Because the first chat thing I came up with, it was talking about, motors and propellers and currents and all of that, and I thought, no, I'm going to do it a bit easier. So I'm going to represent solar panels to power my boat, but I'm actually going to make a sail from cards. So I'm going to make a little cardboard sail. And to help me do that, I've got some straws and some craft sticks as well. So that'll be the sail. So what else do we need? Oh yeah, we also need for the features on our water cleaning boat, something to catch the rubbish. So I've got this little plastic colander. I know we're not meant to use plastic for a lot of things, but this is a good way of using it instead of just throwing it away. So this is going to become the rubbish collector as my boat travels through the water. But I don't know what size is the best yet. So like with all things science, we test it out. So I've got a couple of alternatives. Tea strainer and tiny colander. And somehow that will fit to here. What else do I need? Oh yeah, and once we've got our rubbish collected, so the boat is floating along and it's all nicely stabilised and it's being powered by the power of wind, or the CD representing solar panels. So it's collecting all the rubbish in one of these, this mesh, so the water will flow through but the rubbish will be stuck in the net. But we need some way of sorting it, so this is going to be my garbage sorter. Check this, my homemade recycling plant an egg box. Egg boxes are used, I use them for all sorts of things with science. It's amazing what you can do with them. So these 6 little compartments are going to be my rubbish sorters to represent on an actual garbage cleaning boat the recycling that goes on. So rubbish is sorted into different categories and then recycled in different ways. That's about it. I've got some tape to stick things together. I got this because it is waterproof tape. It's plumber tape and electrical tape, and it's actually stretchy and waterproof, which would be good for putting in water. But again, some plastic in this, so use recyclable things wherever you can, like masking tape works very well apparently. So those are all the ingredients for my water cleaning boat. I'm going to have great fun practicing putting all this together and testing different ways to do it. And then I'm going to float my boat. But that'll be for another video. So I'm going to go now and let you all get on with your Fridays. And look out for this book coming out next month. I will be mentioning again, absolutely. You know, they've got their sticker, they have a glossary for lots of STEM terms, which you don't often get. They've got answers to the little quizzes as you go. So there's quizzes. Lots of exercises and things. Oh, we were talking about sorting out the rubbish. So the quest friends, the little friends in the book, have little quizzes to do. So this is a page all about. So I'm super excited, and I don't know how to do things upside down and all of this, back to front. But here's little recycling bins to represent different kinds of garbage, which I'm going to represent with my egg box garbage sorter. And the book, which has just fell on the floor now, also contains stickers. Oh, that reminds me, I nearly forgot. Like all good science projects, it's got to look good as well. And it's not just about that, it's about functionality, but you know what, you can make them look really good too. So of course I have some stickers. Okay, so enjoy your Friday, bye for now, and we've done a whole week of Daily Dot Season 2. So I'll see you again on Monday, because we're not doing this at the weekend, we all need time out. So enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday on the Daily Dot Season 2. Have a great one, bye!